Meaning of heading.
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 Heading. The term heading refers to a title or a brief description that provides a clear indication of the content of a text or document. A heading typically appears at the top of a page or section and is designed to help readers quickly identify what the text is about. Headings can range in size and format, depending on the style guide or design of the document. The use of headings is important for organizing and conveying information effectively, allowing readers to easily scan and locate the information they need.